Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Tesla today I'm going to, sorry about that, I'm going to fix my screen protector. I haven't a clue what I'm doing. First time I've looked at the instructions, so let's see how difficult it can be. Let's peel off the actual screen protector itself. What's on there from new. First time that's come off, and I've had the car for a couple of months now. So here's the instructions. So I'm going to have a quick read of the instructions and get back to you in a second. So I've got the lens cleaning wipes, bit of plastic here to get the bubbles out. We can have a cleaner, the frame, what it's got to go on like that. What I push down and pull off, etc. So I should do that in a second. And here the instructions. There's 8 different steps. It's simple enough. Let's wait and see. Let's have a go. So you peel off the protective screen. What's there of the protector? There's this bit here. Chuck that away. And then protective this frame fits on the screen with top there, and the red tag here to the right, and the screen here. So that's simple enough so far. And there is a clear screen behind this piece of plastic here, this frame, that we will fit to the screen. That's going to stay on there. So this is obviously the application tool. So we're going to pull this out in a minute and get this off once it's all stuck down. So let's see about that, the next stage. So what I was doing wrong with is behind this red triangle here is a black sticky pad what needs to be stuck down to hold the screen, and you pull that red tag out completely out. And now I'm waiting for 15 seconds. That should stuck the new screen to the screen and then remove, and it has. So the new screen's on there, not quite straight. Let's have another look at that. So to be honest with you, I put the framework on there and lifted it off, and this was too high. This was a couple of mil up, so it doesn't really line up because it's in a framework that goes around the screen. So really I'd say take the screen out of the framework and just place it on yourself, because this top part comes off. So now I've lined it up myself now, the best I think you can do. Now you peel that off to leave that. It's got a couple of bubbles in it what I can get out, but that now is pretty perfect. I'd say pretty square. But yeah, this is not a lot of good. Just take it off and put it on yourself by hand, and then get out the bubbles, what I'm going to do now. So there you go, now it's installed. So I'll just go from the middle going outwards to get rid of the little bubbles. I got rid of most of them. I'll let that dry a little bit. There's a tiny one just there, and there's one there. Don't seem to move, but I'll give that half an hour to dry and come back to it. That'll probably move out, disappear itself. Yeah, so I'll leave that. So there's the installation for the screen protector. The screen frame was not a lot of good really. I think just take it out and put it on yourself for a better fit to get it so it's absolutely perfect around the edges. Okay guys, hope that helps. Cheers, thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you like the video, and I'll see you next time.